Hey, if you don't want to watch this video, the full recipe will be in the description. Oh, we're making chicken. So, if you're like me and like to cook but didn't know you like to cook until you started cooking, you'll often look for advice on where to get cooking advice from. You probably will search the web for the best overweight middle-aged woman to teach you how to cook, but obviously the early 20s people are the best people to teach you how to cook because we've recently learned. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Have you cooked before?
Not food.
Alright. So we got two
dead chicken.
We got dead chicken, we're pretty sure. We haven't checked the gender, but we're pretty sure it's dead. Sheets. Aluminum foil. And we've got our spices and salt and pepper. We got some oil, and we got our hardware. But a classy lady like Will. Yes. A classy lady like Will requires the best hardware, so make sure your dishes are clean and good before you start doing this. And Will asked me before we started, how do you get these chicken to not fly away when you're trying to cook them? At this point, preheat the oven before you do anything else.
Just do it! Hey there, I'm going to show you how to preheat your oven. It's real simple. You're going to press this button, then we're going to press this till it comes to 450. Takes a little while. There we go. Now all we have to do is press start. There you go.
Once your chicken is thawed, go ahead and brine the chicken. You need a little bit of salt. Just a teensy bit. You're gonna need to fill this thing with water and submerge your chicken in it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't think we're gonna have enough water. Here we go.
Mas agua.
Mas agua! So make sure if you're a real man and have bought uncut chicken wings that you cut them at this point. So you'll cut them at the two joints on the chicken wing. Go ahead and open them up. Extend it all the way. Best way to look at it is from this side where you can clearly see where you're going. Put it right up to the joint and start cutting. Find it with your fingers or find it with the knife. There we go. And we'll go ahead and add it in our pot. And this other side, we don't want to add the little thingy here. This thingy. Will, do you mind coming over and touching this? Just so they clearly know where we're at here. Right there. Yeah. Right there. Don't want to feel the joint with your fingers. Come in. Hold it by this part since you're just going to be disposing of the other part. And got it. Time to coat the chicken in some seasoning. So you'll take 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil, or your preferences.
Cannoli oil.
Cannoli oil. Okay. Wow, I really messed that up. We'll do a little bit less this time. Okay. And you'll need something with a lid on it so you can shake it and coat it. So put the lid back on our oil. We will add our chicken wings. Now that your chicken is cut and placed in the oil, put the lid on it and shake it. Alright, now that these are nice and coated, can you see it? Coated in oil.
Cannoli oil.
Alright. Let's get our little measuring cups out. We're going to add the seasoning. Ooh, slinging some stuff. Huh? Okay. We're going to need
half snort.
half a snort. Take your pepper. My pepper is stuck. I'm pouring some down in there though. Alright. Boom. Good enough, right? Take the same amount of salt. Check that out.
Spread it.
Salty. Spread it. Not gonna say what just came to my mind. Okay. Now you need smoked paprika. Smoked
Paprika.
It's way better. And you gotta be a real man. Get that open. Okay. It's okay if you add a little bit too much of this because this stuff is great. Just make sure no big chunks fall into the thing like it's happened to me every time.
Oh,
son of a shit. Once again,
got a lot of paprika.
Did you see that big chunk come out and screw me there?
Yep.
It's gonna be real smoky, people. I like it real smoky. Okay. Garlic powder also. Yeah, here we go. Roasted California garlic powder. So this one's a little bit weirder than
It's
regular.
from the private selection.
Yeah.
I know it's good.
At Walmart. This video is not sponsored by Walmart. Alright, you're done using these. So we're gonna put the lid back on it. Shake it.
Shake and bake.
Running out of room, people. Start kicking people out, building walls.
Nobody builds walls better than me, believe me.
Done. Alright. So we're gonna take. Oh, that sucks. I need these. You're gonna take your chicken, bring it over to your nice and preheated oven. Turn on the light for effect. And you're gonna take your Ove glove. If you want one of these, it's the Ove glove. Ooh! Nice, and make sure you film the heat on this, Willis.
Oh.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? You see that?
You got the initial insertion.
Gotta make sure it's done right. Alright. You're gonna start your timer, and you're gonna cook these for 20 minutes. In the meantime, you can do whatever you want. Take your Ove glove. We're about 18 minutes in. Pull these suckers out a little bit and flip them. Nice even cooking. Got your Ove glove. Turn off the timer because we're not stupid. Time to apply the sauce. Listen to that sizzle. Ooh! 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 This is the most sensual part. Get a closer look, Will. Come here. Now, let me share this experience with you guys. Here we go. So we got our sweet baby rays. We got our sauce brush here that is broken. It doesn't like to stay on.
Ooh. Slathered.
Slather it, boys and girls. Speaking of boys and girls, anyone can do this. Unless you're not old enough to use an oven.
Man, I told you
Please don't. Scare your mommies and daddies. We'll Bob Ross these a little bit. Happy little sauce. Happiest. Not too much sauce. Happy little chicken wing right here.
Sauce may be the boss.
Sauce may be the boss, but Bob Ross is the ultimate sauce boss. I am the Bob Ross of these chicken wings. Call me Bobby Rossi. Big Mommy Bobby. We're almost out of sauce.
You gotta re-sauce.
Re-sauce. Oh yeah, that'll be plenty of sauce to finish these. Oh yeah.
Make sure you slather it.
I'm slathering, dude. Ooh. Good pro tip here. Cheese slather. You gotta take these, oh shite! That was almost really bad. And then set the timer to about 10 minutes. Start it. You gotta bake on the sauce. Oh. Yeah. Right about then. You have to let her sit a little bit longer. Turn your timer off. Make sure you got your Ove glove. Ooh. 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 He's a sizzling. Come on in closer. Ooh. Now would you look at this? These are some perfectly cooked chicken wings. Hey Will.
Yeah.
Hang on. Do you want to eat some chicken wings?
Yeah.
I think we did a pretty good job here today. Let's eat some chicken wings. Cheers. Oh, fuck.